Hello. So, sunglasses, formal clothes, that means we're shooting a fashion video. And in this video, I want to teach you boys to look good wearing anything. You can wear a tank top, you can wear a suit, you can wear a blazer, you can wear a shirt, you can wear a hoodie. I mean, you can not wear anything and you can still look good. And that's what I'm gonna teach you guys in this video. So basically, why do you guys feel attracted towards Victoria's Secret fashion models or generally any supermodel? Is it because of their face? No, I personally know a lot of girls who look better than them, face-wise, cuteness-wise. So what is it? Is it because of the clothes that they wear? No. I know a lot of people who try to copy these crazy fashion models by copying their outfits, but they still look pretty bad. So what is it? I guess most of you guys probably guessed this already, but it's about the body. It's about the frame, it's about the curves, it's about the proportion. That's what makes them look so good in anything. And that's exactly how you can also look good wearing anything, just like any other male supermodels out there or any other celebrities. Look at Michael B. Jordan. He cannot look bad in anything. Give him anything and he'll look good. And I will also probably look good in most of the things that I wear because I believe I have a decent frame, decent body. So yeah, I can just end the video right now by just telling you to go get a better body to look good in clothes, but I'm too kind to do that. I'm a little bit more generous than you think. So I just want to make this a little bit more easier for you boys. Firstly, we just need to understand why a really good frame or a really muscular toned down body helps you look more attractive. What's the concept behind it? So just like how you guys find an hourglass body of a woman attractive, for men it's the V-taper. So that's like broader shoulders and narrow waist kind of body type. And for that, you can train specifically to achieve that kind of body. And I have made a video about this a while back, but then again, this is more fashion focused. So what are some muscle groups or body parts that you need to focus on to look good in clothes, in any clothes? So that would be, so like I said, V-taper. So how do we get that? What are some muscle groups? Focus on your shoulders, your upper chest, your neck a little bit, and then your lats. Focus on those things, and maybe even some of your arms, like forearms are pretty important, and your biceps and triceps, but just focus on those things and that will give your upper body a really nice look. Now, a V-taper does not mean just making your upper body just so big and making your waist as small as possible. It's more about making your upper body big whilst also focusing on leg and making them big too, so that the proportion is such that your waist looks smaller and leaner. So that's the actual definition of a V-taper or whatnot, but just for the sake of it, maybe skip training your legs, focus on the muscle groups that I just mentioned. That way, no one's gonna notice your legs if you're not wearing skinny jeans, right? So focus on training those muscles. I have made multiple videos for building a body like that. And I have also made complete training program, a push-pull leg training program, which I followed for the past 1 year. I will also leave that link down in the description. You can also go and download that. It's completely free. We need to talk about female gaze and male gaze in this video right now. So for example, what is female gaze? So studies have shown that females are more attracted to men or male, whatever, who are not too big, but not too skinny, but just in between. Some good examples are 2016 Justin Bieber. I mean, back in 2016, 2017, he even made me doubt if I was gay or not. But 2016 Justin Bieber, Shawn Mendes these days, Michael B. Jordan, a little bit like Creed 2, Michael B. Jordan. Those are the kind of body type the females are a little bit more into. So that's just about the body. Now, there are other things too, like the face and all, and I'm not going to talk about that because, whatever you're going to wear is not going to correlate to your face or anything. It's just, how it fits. Well, again, coming back to fitting, get well-fitted clothes. I could have chosen a bigger blazer and look really bad wearing this. I mean, this is like kind of right fitting, and for the same reason you can see my arms are like well fitted. If I stand up, it's like the length is perfect. This is a new band, that's why I have all these things right here, but whatever. So yeah, fitting should be perfect. For example, if I take off this blazer, you can actually see how well this t-shirt is fitted. So yeah, I have taken off my blazer and this is how this t-shirt looks. Just look how well it is fitted at the top part, because at the bottom it's not well fitted at all because this is not tailor-made. You can see that there's this puffiness going all around, so I've just tucked it to the back side. So if this was tailor-made, I would have got that lean V shape. Even with this shirt, it will look something like this because I have smaller waist. Fitting is the key. Even this pants, this is like well-fitted pants. It could be really hard to find well-fitted clothes, but you can try your best. I find a lot of problem finding well-fitted shirts. So it's just natural because my arms are like very big. It's like you can see how big my arm is. It's like very big. So it's really hard for me to find well-fitting clothes, but I hope you can. So that's the second point, well-fitted clothes. And then the third important point is not the type of clothes that you wear, but the colors. So there should be a contrast between every piece of your outfit, and at the same time there should be a contrast between your skin tone and the color of your outfit. I'm a brown man. I cannot go and wear really colorful clothes. It will look bad. I'm better off sticking to these colors, and honestly I just love every shade of black. So I just try to stick to, simple, elegant, classic colors. So finding the right color choices and the right fitting and building a good body is the key. So now that I have covered everything, I want to tell how you guys can achieve all these things. This is more of a formal outfit. This is just the t-shirt that I was wearing underneath the blazer. I just took it off and it looks like this. Pretty decent. Now again, this is a little bit more fancier kind, but again, semi-formal kind. If you take a look at it, this has these patterns, and the pants also have these patterns, which are like stripes and crosses. That really complements well. Maybe I'll talk a little bit more about different kind of patterns and stuff in a different video, but this is about just the fitting and how you can look good in anything, just like how I'm looking good in this outfit. This is a white polo, textured polo. I recently lost some muscle and weight because I was sick, so it looks a little bit big, but it's really not. And I have worn an olive green pant. You can pair this up with any different pant. This is a linen shirt. Again, fits very well because of the frame, like I said. Camera drop-in quality, but whatever. So one of the things that I hate the most about you ugly motherfuckers out there is that you think you need a lot of money to look good. You think you need a lot of different outfits, these Rolex, Louis Philippe, Van Heusen, or Louis Vuitton, all these designer brands to look good, but it's just not the truth. What you actually need, you need some money. You need to put that money into effect. You need to invest that money on yourself by eating good food. You need to invest that money on a good nutrition. You need to invest that money on a good gym. And then you need to invest your time in the gym to work out and get a good body. Then you can go get the cheapest clothes, anything out there, and you will look good, I promise you.